Masayang-masaya ang mga Pinoy fans sa tagumpay ni Michelle D sa pagkapanalo nito bilang isa sa mga top 10 finalist ng Miss Universe 2023. Bukod pa dito, 3 awards ang nakuha nito kabilang na ang Carnival Trophy, Gold winner ng Voice for Change at Fan Vote winner sa Miss Universe app.
Philippines! Philippines was first runner-up at her national pageant last year and says she came to Miss Universe with unfinished business. This dress was inspired by a 106-year-old Filipino tattoo artist who's helped her keep her unique cultural tradition alive.
Subalit, tila naging masakit sa mga Pinoy ang resulta nang hindi ito makapasok sa top 5 matapos na pagbasehan ang evening gown competition ng 10 finalist. Sa nasabing segment, halatang isa sa pinakamagandang gown at pinakamaayos na performance si Michelle D.
First delegate advancing to the top 5 is Australia! Puerto Rico! Nicaragua! Thailand! This woman advancing is Colombia!
Ito naman ay sinang-ayunan ng mga vloggers at kahit ang mga judges na isa si Michelle D sa kanilang pinaka-nagustuhan sa gown competition. Subalit, ikinabigla ng lahat ang hindi pag-anunsyo nito bilang isa sa mga top 5.
Oh, Miss Philippines was fantastic. We loved her. I thought she was absolutely radiant tonight, and Philippines always produces a wonderful contender.
Thank you so much.
Yes, mabuhay.
Thank you.
I wish you the best for her today and always. She's gorgeous and you have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful presenter.
Thank you.
Hi, Miss Philippines. Michelle did such a great job. I love her.
Philippines was robbed. I have to admit, I'm confused about that. I'm confused about that. I really, 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 really thought. Now, I don't know who I would have taken out, but I really thought Philippines was going to make the 5. You're sad for Philippines. I got to tell you the truth. That dress, woo! Now, don't get me wrong. I would have worn Puerto Rico's too. But Philippines dress is my style.
Naniniwala ang mga fans lalong-lalo na ang mga Filipino supporters na may nangyaring dayaan. Hindi pa nagtapos dyan ang issue dahil sa mismong coronation night, real-time na nagpost ng mga results ang Miss Universe El Salvador organization sa Instagram at Facebook page. Simula top 20, sakto ang mga resulta na naipost ng nasabing Instagram account ng host country. Subalit sa pag-anunsyo ng top 5, hindi tinawag ang Philippines subalit kasali ito sa top 5 ng nasa post ng Miss Universe El Salvador kung saan wala si Miss Thailand sa listahan. Naniniwala ang marami na may klarong dayaan sa nangyari, hindi man direktang makapagsalita ang mga kilalang personalidad kasali ang mga hurado, subalit klarong naniniwala sila na may mali sa naanunsyong final result.
But the winner was stunning, but I will tell you one of my very favorites. Now remember, before you go any further with this, I am only one judge, so what I say only matters for one vote. But I will tell you, the Philippines was definitely high up there for me, and I would have loved to see her go further. But again, I'm only one judge, but I loved her. She was stunning. She did amazing. But it was just an amazing experience to be able to select the next Miss Universe. It doesn't always work out the way that you hope it does as a judge. There was 11 of us.
I have to admit,
Sa tingin mo, may pandedaya nga bang naganap na pinalitan bigla si Philippines sa top 5 ni Miss Thailand kahit hindi naman ito dapat napasok sa top 5? Kung totoo man, ano ang dapat gawin ng mga Pinoy? Hahayaan na lamang ba ang nangyari o dapat nagawa ng aksyon? Komento ang inyong reaksyon tungkol dito.